We're going to explain how to duplicate lines in Excel. There are several ways to do this depending on what you mean by duplicate and what you want to copy. 1. The simplest method is to copy and paste. Select the row or rows you want to duplicate by clicking the row numbers on the left. Then press Ctrl+C or CMD+C on a Mac to copy. Next, click on the row below where you want the duplicate to appear, and press Ctrl+V or CMD+V on a Mac. This will paste an exact copy of the selected rows. This works well for duplicating a single row or a small number of consecutive rows. 2. If you need to duplicate a row multiple times, you can use the Insert function. Select the row you wish to duplicate. Right-click and choose Insert from the context menu. A new blank row will be added above the selected row. Now you can copy and paste the content from your original row into this blank row. Repeat as many times as needed. While this works, it's less efficient for many duplicates. 3. For larger data sets or when duplicating many rows, a quicker method is to use the fill handle. Select the row you want to duplicate. Hover your mouse over the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is the fill handle. Once the cursor changes to a plus sign, click and drag it downwards. Excel will automatically copy the row content for as many rows as you drag the fill handle down. This replicates the row's contents in the subsequent rows. Remember to adjust the cell references if you've got formulas referencing other cells that will need updating after duplication. 4. If you want to duplicate rows based on a condition, for example, duplicating rows where a specific column contains a certain value, you'll need to use more advanced Excel features like filtering and sorting, or VBA scripting. Filtering lets you isolate rows matching your criteria. Then, you can copy and paste those filtered rows. VBA allows for more automated solutions, but it requires programming knowledge. 5. Another method to efficiently duplicate rows, especially if you need to create multiple copies with slight variations, is using the rota function. Imagine you have data in row 2 and you want to copy it 5 times. You can create a new set of rows, and in the first column of these rows, input a number, 1 through 5. Then, in another column of your data, use the if row 1 A2 A2, where A2 is the cell with your number. Adjust this formula according to your table's structure. This is very useful for creating multiple entries of the same data, and a powerful way of handling large-scale duplication with variations. Remember to adjust the cell references in the formula according to your spreadsheet structure. Always double-check your results after duplicating rows, especially if your data contains formulas or linked data.